In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up bulk redirects in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a list of old links and point them to their new destinations using Cloudflare's Edge, which is fast, reliable, and great for preserving SEO and user experience. First, open your Cloudflare account. From your dashboard, look for the section labeled Delivery and Performance. Interface labels can shift slightly over time, but you'll typically find this in the left-hand navigation. If the layout looks different, use the search bar at the top of the dashboard and search for Delivery and Performance to jump there quickly. Once you're in Delivery and Performance, click Bulk Redirects. This is where you'll manage large sets of URL forwards in one place, rather than building them one at a time. Next, click Create. This begins a new set of bulk redirect rules that you can name, configure, and deploy together. You'll be prompted to enter a name and a description for your bulk redirect rules. Choose a name that makes the purpose obvious, like a migration date or a campaign label. In the description, briefly note what's being redirected and why. Clear labeling helps you and your team understand and maintain these rules later. Click Next to add URLs. On the Add URLs screen, you'll map each source URL to its destination. Keep the format consistent. Include the full protocol, like HTTPS, and make sure you're using the correct paths. Small differences like a trailing slash or uppercase letters can change how a match behaves, so it's worth being precise. If you're redirecting many URLs with similar patterns, list them all here so the redirect set stays organized. The interface will guide you on valid formats and flag anything that needs attention. Click Next and follow the prompts on your screen. Depending on your account and the current interface, you may see options for how the match is evaluated and what status code to return. A 301 is a permanent redirect and is generally best for migrations and SEO. A 302 is temporary and useful for short-term changes. You may also see options related to query strings or pattern matching. Choose what aligns with how your old URLs behave. Once everything looks right, click Save and Deploy. Cloudflare will push the configuration to its network, and your redirects will begin taking effect shortly. If you need to revise the list later, you can return to bulk redirects, update the entries, and publish changes when ready. That's it. You've created, configured, and deployed bulk redirects in Cloudflare with a clear, maintainable setup.